That commercial banks are still opposed to the idea of capping interest rates is not in doubt. The more reason their umbrella body, Kenya Bankers Association, has advised the president not to assent to the banking amendment bill, but instead recommend alternative ways out of the current situation. Political analysts, however, contend that the president is highly likely going to listen to the wisdom as shared by the National Treasury and the Central Bank of Kenya. With this, President Kenyatta will reject the bill and refer it back to Parliament through a memorandum on questions of the Constitution and law and propose legal amendments. Parliament will then have the choice to accept the president's proposals and align the bill to his request. Alternatively, MPs may quash the president's veto by marshalling two-thirds majority in the House to vote for the bill in its original form and expressly make it law. An avenue that is highly improbable considering the president enjoys a majority support in Parliament that rarely goes against his wishes.
That's good. Welcome.
Former legislature and sponsor of a similar bill, Joe Donde, insists that the president should follow former President Moi's gesture and assent to the bill as was the case in the year 2000.
If the president fails to assent to the bill, this country will remain where it is for maybe 50, 100 years. Because there's no other way this country can move forward.
This, he says, will not only cushion borrowers from exorbitantly priced loans, but also help boost the much-needed economic growth, as more businesses will be able to borrow cheaply, expand their ventures and employ more sustainably.
If this bill was operational the way it was assented by President Moi 17 years ago, I can assure you this country would be now a third of what Malaysia, Korea and Singapore are.
Already, the banking industry has presented its counter-proposal to the presidency, which proponents of the capping say are vague and little too late in the day. President Kenyatta now has 14 days to make his decision on this amendment that most Kenyans are keenly following. Patrick Gunza, Monday Special.